Hey everybody, today we're picking a Mercedes B-Class 2013 B-Class door lock using the HU64 Lishi. We're gonna put it in, see where our wafers are, make sure it's all the way in. Okay, odd numbers are going up and even numbers are going down. Let's start. Click on number 1, click on number 2, click on number 5, click on number 7, click on number 9, let's go to the bottom row, click on number 2, click on number 4, click on number 6, and we're open. Now that we're open, we can decode the lock. Number 1 is a free. Number 2 is a free. Number 3 is a 4. Number 4 is a 4. Number 5 is a 3. Number 6 is a 1. Number 7 is a 3. Number 8 is a 5, a 3. And number 9 is a 3. And there's no cut in number 10.